This home uses light tones, muted red accents, natural wood, and simple forms, designed with a modern Scandinavian approach for comfortable everyday living. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. In the living area, the layout defines a clear, comfortable zone. Next, the dining area. The dining area sits naturally between living and kitchen. Lastly, the bedroom. The bedroom design keeps it calm and uncluttered. With proper planning, you don't need extra furniture or random decor. Every piece has a purpose. Instead of guessing what to buy or where to place it, start with a clear design plan. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.